welcome to today's video. So I'm here with my best friend. She's actually vlogging for her own channel. So go subscribe to her. It's in the description. But here's mine. I actually have her like volume down and I'm like muted on our like call. So that like so that's why we don't like hear each other. Oh. Yeah, were you calling me? Hello?
You're just not talking.
Oh, I'm sorry because like I was muted. I'm already starting my vlog.
Oh yeah, that's right. So, by the way, hi guys.
Yeah.
Hi to your vlog, guys.
Yep.
Can we go check what did I get? If I got rare, I need to check. I will check it out. And this is the package, guys. It got a
So,
package.
yeah, guys. Also, Juvie, if you're seeing this, I'm so sorry. That I volumed you down and like I'm muted. I'm so sorry. I just don't like want to be heard in your like vlog. And if you want me to like be heard in your vlog, you can just like call me or something in like the thing. But yeah, I'm so sorry about that like discussion. But now I'm just gonna show you guys the front. It's Fidget toys. It's a Fidget toy little package. There's a thank you, and also warning, most of these are DIY and me and my best friend just made this for YouTube purposes only. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna open it. Alright, so that's the inside. So now I'll show you guys what's in the inside. So first we got a Pop-It paper squishy. Oh no, it's broken. Oh, I'll just fix this as of right now. So since I have my tape right here in case that it was broken, I'll just fix that little mistake up. Sorry for the background noises. There's someone working on our house, but here it is. There we go. And the next one is this. A little ice cream paper squishy Pop-It. So yeah. The next one is this like small little Pop-It. Right here, it's a circle, pink and blue and purple. So now let's move on to these ones. We got a little DIY dimple. I actually really liked when I made this one. It actually like works and stuff. Also, if you want a tutorial on this, you guys can just comment down below. So now the last one we got. Oh, is this actual? It's an actual fidget. It's a little simple dimple. It is so satisfying to play with. And so yeah guys, I actually only have like one blind bag to open for today because like all of these were already hard to like make and do. But this one, I actually just got this from Jovies, aka DIY Paper Squishies. She gave this to me for like, because, I don't know. She actually has like a lot of fidgets. So yeah. So here it is then. Here, I'll do a little ASMR. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you like it. Go watch Jovies vlog. It's her channel's in this description. Go like and subscribe. Terribly sorry for the background noise. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.